Hello guys, we're back for a video of Happy Wheels. Sorry, I forgot to open it up. But excuse me if you hear the lawnmower in the background. I don't know if you guys can, like, I sometimes have these background sounds, and I might not upload this video. But if you guys can hear it, then yeah.
You are my new best friend. Este burrito es muy bueno, pero necesito salsa verde.
Okay. Sorry for the ad. Oh my god, I hope these guys don't have copyright stuff. That would really be annoying. So this is my first video of Happy Wheels, and I'm starting to branch out, and okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put the volume pretty low, just because I guess it's quite good, you know. Loud. Okay, so what levels do you guys want me to play? Put that in the comments, if anybody even comments, but whatever. You are the Pokemon. Okay. Who should I choose? This guy looks pretty cool. Yeah. Let's do it. I choose you. Oh god. Okay. Whoa. Oops, this is a mess. Okay, I guess I'm gonna restart. Tab R. Is that it? Okay, now we're gonna change color. Change character. Okay, I think we're gonna go as the wheelchair guy. Pokeball. And Pokeballs. Let's do this. Thunderbolt. God, okay. Ow. What are we supposed to do? These two. Oi. Are we supposed to like get through or something? Oh no. Did you say it's coming? Oh! Oi! Oh, man. The amount of blood. Oh, self-destruct. Okay. Are we still alive? I don't think so. Yeah, okay. I can tell this is going to be a hard level. Especially because it's my first. Oh god, we got hit with a thunderbolt. Okay. Okay, this is really annoying. There's like any way we can get out. Really? Come on. Are you serious? Okay, tab R. Let's go. I think I got lucky that first time. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, that hurts. Oi. By the way, what? Oh god. What type gym is this? Like tons of types. Yeah, never mind. That's yours. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Is this a glitch or something? Oh god. Okay. Did not mean for that to happen. That's probably signaling we should tab R. Yeah, I'm gonna go to a different level. Yeah, tell me if you guys even like these, because they might seem boring to you. I don't know. Hey, let's see. Obviously, you want to play that game. Oh, this one looks good. Do you guys think you guys want to rage? I don't know, that guy's not too good. Let's choose them big black dudes. Okay. We're supposed to like... Hello? Oh, you must need the helicopter. Duh. Whoa. Okay. You think I'm dead? Right here? Is that where you drop? Oi! Oh, we just missed it. Okay. Who made this level? I don't know why. Is in my head. No, seriously, who made this level? It literally is impossible. Oi! Oh! What are we supposed to do? Like, time it? Because you're supposed to go to flag, right? I think you are. And I think my guy's dead. Boy. No! Oi! Oh. God, this is so bloody. Okay. If you guys played this level and find a solution, please tell me. Oi. Okay. You need to turn around. I don't know. Oh, God. What are you doing? Where the heck did my head go? My head. God. Oh. I don't even want to know what that is. Okay. Let's try this one more time. Down! Oi. Okay, okay. We're still alive. No, I don't think so. I think I figured it out. All we have to do is trigger the bomb. And we avoid him now. God dang you. How do you do this? I'm serious. How do you do this? I think we're doing the wrong character. Let's change characters. Maybe the bike will work. I don't know. Okay. Really sorry. Totally. Okay. Come on. No. Okay, that doesn't feel so good. Okay. Whoa. Bye-bye. Yeah, I'm gonna rage quit. Screw this. Hey, please break this level. Nah. Okay. You're welcome for voting shit. Okay. Let's see. Oh, good luck here. So annoying. What should we do? I think this one looks good. Survival. Why? Okay, we don't choose character? What the heck? What is happening to me? Did you what did you do? Okay. God, this is bloody. What the heck? Okay. What? Okay. What the heck? Try that out. Cause, whoa. I don't know, I'm dead by now. I'm like bleeding. And where's my head? Look at that. My like lower half and then my upper half. Okay. Let's see. How long has this gone? Oh, 11 minutes. Rainbow Spikeball. All about the names, guys. You gotta make a good first impression. Yes, the Segway dude. Boy, okay. What am I doing? Oh, whoa. I don't know, did I glitch it out or something? Share replays, of course I am. Oh. Okay, wait, I want to do something. Tab R. Watch this. Come on. Oh, what? I thought it was gonna, like, slide down. Really? Come on, that was upsetting. If you guys see this level, that's how you complete it. You go full speed, and you win. There you go. See? I won. To be honest, I think they should make the platform more narrow. Oops, I just used my finger. I think they should make this platform more narrow. Anyways, guys, we're gonna... So if you guys just wanted some gameplay, I think you guys can leave now, because we're gonna do some level editing. That looks like one of the cool things. Okay. Selection tool. Okay. Shape tool. Rectangle shape. Poly tool or tool. Special item tool. Attributes. What the? What did I just do? Okay, I don't know what the heck I just did. Where's the actual person? Okay, yeah, this was a bust. Sorry, guys. Yeah, just to make it up for you guys who stayed, we're gonna play a game. How do I go back? Okay, we're gonna go to the main menu. Yes. I want it to be lost. What the heck? What the? Are you guys, like, losing the volume? Because I don't think I lost it. Whatever. Okay, we're gonna play Wasteland 2. Let's try that. We're gonna do something fun for you guys. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, that wasn't as fun as I thought it would be. Yeah, we're gonna go to Pokemon trading. Okay, this is how you guys have fun on Happy Wheels. So first you go backwards as much as you can. Then you go forwards. Keep on going, like till you're full speed. Then you press Z. So fun. Then you get hit by thunder. Oh god. So many guts. You know, I think this will be the thumbnail. Yeah, this looks like a good thumbnail. Thumbnail! Actually, I don't know. Should have been his thumbnail? Yeah, I'm just gonna stop rambling and we're gonna do that again. Come on. I choose you! Oh god, okay. I choose you! Slinky! Okay, this one's gonna look. Oi, oi! Am I still alive? Oh god, I'm still alive. Look at his leg. Oh. 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 Oh, look at the other trainer though. He gets hit by the thunderbolt. That's so sad. Come on. Oh wow, the thing fell off like I predicted. That guy should really improve his levels. And by the way, if you guys want to play the same levels as me, play along, I'll put the link to the game in the description. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, I don't know. Actually, yeah, I will put a link in the description. Yeah, this is useless. You know what? We're gonna have some fun with a different character. Let's do this. Okay. You guys already know what's coming. Look at them two. Eject! No, there's 3 people. Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh, I'm still alive! Oh god! I'm still alive! Okay, can I even move? Okay, that's just sad. Can't move. Oh, look at that flip. God, oh! That was not planned. Oh, this is not pleasant. Okay. Oi, oh god. This is disgusting. I love it. Oh, come on. Come on. Oi, come on. Come on. Let me out. I'm serious, guys. I'm stuck. Yeah, take a screenshot of the guts. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Anyways, I think that'll be the end of the video, depending on how much time. 18 minutes. Yeah, I think that'll be a good ending. So, I guess I'll see you guys later, and make sure to check out this game. It looks kind of fun. Oh, also, I found out I could do a really cool thing. Watch this. Wait, what was it again? Yeah, this. Look at it. If you look at it way back there, it's like still moving. It's like this. They all move like at different times. Oh yeah. 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 Okay, yeah. Bye-bye, guys. I bet most of you guys have already left, but see you later. Bam, bam, bam.